The biggest talent encouragement exam is back. TALLENTEX Overseas 2024.
And as promised, we have become bigger and better in our 2024 edition. Students, we are not just going to tell you what to do. Rather, we will show you how it's done. Now, students who are new to the registration process, let's take you to the tour of the registration process. What is this Talentx buzz going on around? Why should I appear for this exam? And if I plan to appear, how am I supposed to register for it? What will be its mode, syllabus, exam pattern, marking scheme, the important dates, and there are numerous other questions coming our way. So dear students, greetings from TALLENTEX Overseas. Here we are bringing answers to all your questions in this video. India's biggest talent encouragement exam, Talentx, was launched 9 years ago by Allen Career Institute. The exam is designed to identify, nurture, and reward you for your unique potential at the very early stage. More than 1 million students have appeared in Talentx so far. They've trusted us for self-analysis, academic enhancement, winning rewards, and career mapping. Now, the exam that has transformed many dreams has taken into its global form as TALLENTEX Overseas. With the dream of providing students not just education, but quality education, TALLENTEX Overseas is back with TALLENTX. And as promised, we have become bigger and better in our 2024 edition. So those who are from GCC countries and are studying in class 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th, here is an opportunity for you to win exciting cash prizes, scholarships and a chance to start preparing early to fulfill your career goal and to become great doctors, engineers and scientists. Students, are you confused about the benefits of applying for Talentx Overseas? Well, let me tell you, Talentx 2024 in its ever grandeur edition is offering its participating students numerous benefits. It gives you the opportunity to strengthen your academic preparations with great scholarships. You can win scholarship up to 90% with Allen Overseas for Allen courses worth Rs 20 crores. Grand cash prize of Rs 2 crores for our top performers. Sounds exciting, right? We have more to it. A detailed performance analysis report, country rank, global rank, a competitive success index report that measures your chances of success in the forthcoming higher competitive exams. We also will be providing you with a psychometric test, practice papers, mock test and many more to it. So, why wait any longer to reach your academic goal? Go and register yourselves. You can register online on our website, which is www.allenoverseas.com/talentx by following simple steps. Fill in the registration form with all the required details, then complete your application with the payment of registration fee. Remember students, don't forget to save your form number and password for future access to your account. We would like to mention here that those students who are appearing from Bahrain, Qatar and Saudi Arabia can take this exam in an online mode, whereas those students who are from UAE, Kuwait and Oman can take this exam in offline exam pattern. Dear students, if you have any misconception regarding the syllabus of the exam, that you need to put an extra mile effort in the other direction, then let's just clear the air for you. We at Talentx have completely aligned our syllabus with the NCERT syllabus of the applicant's previous and current class. The details of the syllabus have been given on our website, which is www.allenoverseas.com/talentx. The subjects applicable includes physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics and IQ. To add more about the exam pattern, I would like to share it will be a 2 hours exam in English medium only. There will be objective type questions asked with single correct answer. Students taking exam in an offline manner will have 80 questions, whereas those students who are taking exam in an online manner will have 160 questions coming your way. Regarding the marking, please note, plus 4 marks will be awarded for every correct answer and minus 1 mark for each incorrect answer for class 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th. wait. Here's a surprise for students from class 5th, 6th and 7th. You just got luckier as there's no provision of negative marking for you. Students, we are not just going to tell you what to do. Rather, we will show you how it's done. Therefore, for your better understanding, we will be showing you a demo. This will enlighten you thoroughly from our registration process. So to start with, simply go to our website, which is www.allenoverseas.com/talentx. You will see register and login tab here. Login is for those who have already registered with us. You can simply enter your form number and password and you can access your profile from here. For the new students, click on the tab Register. Thereafter, you will be directed to the student registration form. The following form will have two options. I don't have Allen form number and I have Allen form number. From this option, I have Allen form number. You can simply enter your details, email ID and your form number and you can access from here. Now students who are new to the registration process, let's take you to the tour of the registration process. Ensure that you've clicked on the tab I don't have Allen form number. Simply enter the personal information by selecting your country, full name, email address. You will see your country code will come here. Then you can enter your mobile number. Following which you can select your city from this drop-down list. If you can't find your city name here, please select other city. Enter your city name manually here. Similarly, select your school. If you can't find your school name, please select other school. You may enter your school name manually. Next, you can select your center. After that, the class you are currently studying in. The exam will be based on this class only. Then you may create the password. Kindly confirm your password. Ensure there is this tick in the checkbox and then you may proceed to pay. You will see the payment options. You may choose any. So for now we are choosing MasterCard. This will take us to this page. Please enter the card details here like card holder name, card number, expiry date, security code. You may also enter the billing address, which is optional, which includes country, address, city, zip code, state. Then please proceed with the payment. Once it's done, you will receive a pop-up message mentioning that your registration is successful for Talentx. You may close that tab. Following which, the candidate will be redirected to his profile. There you will see your form number and other details. You will also see the Talentx exam information, which includes the exam date, your registration mode. Also, you may download your fee receipt from here. You can also see all the practice papers and mock tests which are already live or are coming soon. You can attempt your mock test and practice paper from these options. You may also download your brochure, sample papers, syllabus and pattern from here. Student, once registered, you will get all the important details regarding Talentx exam on your registered email ID as well, as I mentioned earlier. So dear students, I hope this demo was useful for you. You may log out from there. So if you have registered with us and by now you're well versed regarding the exam syllabus and pattern, then don't just stop here. Go and grab this opportunity. Once registered with us, you will receive an email on your registered email ID with a link. You can access your practice papers and mock tests from that link. Students, we have provided you with 10 practice papers and 2 mock tests. The mock tests have been designed in such a way for you to have exact feel of the exam pattern. Please practice, practice and practice, because only practice makes a man perfect. Believe me, your potential is limitless. Kindly mark your calendars with the important dates. We have registration process open for you till 20th of October 2023. Talentx 2024 is coming to your GCC countries on 27th of October 2023 and the results of the same will be announced by the last week of November 2023. Dear students, the world of limitless opportunities awaits you at Talent Overseas. See you soon at our 4th edition of Talentx 2024. In case if you have any other query related to the exam, please feel free to comment in our comment section. Thank you and wish you good luck.